everyone, I'm Agima and welcome back to my channel, or hi if you are new here. So today I'm doing a totally random haul. I've got a few cute things from Miniso, some things from a local store in Uti, and one item from Max Fashion. It's a little mix of everything, no categories, no structure, just everything I have liked and picked up. So let's just dive right in. So let's start first with this product. This is the ear pick set and it is from Miniso, and you get like 5 ear pieces and then one case for you to keep all of the pieces. And I thought this is like a useful and cute product. It is affordable too. It is for 190 rupees and it was a pretty good deal and just a need for like everyone. So that is why I got this. The next product is from Max Fashion and I got a scrunchie set. These are a set of three scrunchies and I thought it's cute because it has got like pastel colors, two baby pink and one like a green, light green, and it was for 149 rupees as you can see, and I thought this is like too cute. So yeah, the next product I picked up is from a local store in Uti. I just needed a bunch of rubber bands, and this cute colorful rubber band sets, I just thought it might be like a cute looking hair accessory. So I got this one and this one is for 69 rupees and it's a pretty good deal actually. The next thing I got is from Miniso and this is the Nourish and Glow cuticle oil. Okay, this is the cuticle oil, and I just before I used to do my nails by a professional. Now I don't have time with the mom life and everything, so I just do it at home. I just buff my nails and just paint my own nails. So that is why I thought it would be a good idea to get a cuticle oil, and this was for 150 rupees. I haven't tried it yet. As you can see, it's like a packed product. So yeah, the next product is this, and I think I got it from a local store or some store in a mall. I can't remember exactly. So this is like the fruit fork. It's a set of 10 pieces and it's like a cute set. I just, every time I just cut fruits and all, I just eat it with a normal fork. So I thought it might be cute and aesthetic to eat with this cute little fruit forks. So yeah, that is why I got this one, and this was for rupees 115. The next thing I got is this one. This I got from a local store in Uti, and this is like a cute little transparent clip, and you can see if it's in the light, you can see different shades like pink, yellow, green. So I thought it might be cute, and it was for 19 rupees. The next product I have got is are again clips. These are also cute like butterfly design clips, and these are in different shades or different colors. You can say you get a set of 6 clips, and it looks so cute. And I don't know for how much I got it, but I think I got it under 200, under 100 or 200 rupees. I got this from a local store again in Uti. Then the next product I have got are again clips. These are the beautiful transparent butterfly clips, and I thought I've got the other clips in different colors, so why not get these clips in transparent color which can go on everything. So that is why I got this one, and it was for rupees 49. Then I have clips again. Okay, then I have clips again, but one is missing. I think I did use this one on my kid. I think so. So this you get 4 sets of clips, and these are like cute clips for like babies, or if you have daughters. So that is why I got this one, and if you want to use it for yourself also, you can get it. But I got this again from a local store in Ooty, and this was for only 49 rupees. I think I had like a baby pink color in this one, the 4th one which is missing. Product I have is this one. This is this are toothbrush. It's for the kids or toddlers. It's for like 3 to 6 year old babies. So I've got this set, and I got it from Mini. So I thought it was like so cute to get this one. And you also get caps for the toothbrush, and this was for 230 rupees. I thought it might be like a cute thing. My daughter already has one brush, and that is also a cute one, but I thought I should get this one for her when she gets a little bit older. That's it for my mini random haul. I know it wasn't a big one, but I hope you enjoyed this little cozy video of mine. Let me know in the comment section which product you liked, or if you want a review of any product which I showed today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. And also don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.